How to manage mentions settings on your account on Instagram PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Instagram. This is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on your profile picture and go to settings. Now after go to settings, all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down and click on privacy and security and scroll down again like this, and you will find the mentions. Now you can choose who you want to mention you. From here you can choose no one or everyone or people you follow. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.